Uh, Modern hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all type of component on a computer that have a physical form, can be seen in the field. So it can be said that the definition of hardware in a computer system is physical computer tool that is used to carry out several processes such as input, output, and processing. And next, hardware characteristic. One has a physical form. One of the difference between software and hardware is the shape. Software can only be seen in appearances, but does not have a physical form, while hardware has a physical form that can be seen and felt. Two general hard in natural. Some explain of hardware are keyboard, printer, scanner, and other devices that are hard. And three, located on the outside of the computer. Most hardware is location on the outside of computer. However, not all of them. Some of them are inside the computer. For example, RAM and CPU. And then for media connection between user and software. Hardware is a device that is useful for connection between user and software, which will receive input and then provide output to the user. And hardware function primarily the function of hardware is to facilitate computer user with a set of computer tools that work properly. However, if the script bad, there are several specific hardware functions. One, profit output. The first hardware function is to provide output to the user after the input process is done. Two, receiving input. The next hardware function is to receive input. Apart from providing output, the hardware also receives input sent by the user. And three, storing information and data. Hardware is hardware which has a function to store input data. Usually the output will be stored in computer store device. Number four, processing is information and data. Furthermore, the function of hardware is process data which then becomes new information that is useful so that it can be understood by humans. And type of hardware, there are various kind of hardware and their expel that you need to know, friend. That example, hardware output. Hardware on output is a device the function to produce new information or useful data so that it can be understood by the user. The information is output through other device. Here are some examples of output hardware, and one monitor. The monitor has the function of displaying information that has be processed that why user can be the information. A printer are hardware that function to print information or data paper in the form of reading or image atau gambar. Speaker is hardware that function to convert electric waves into audio. Waves by vibrating is membrane shaped component. Speaker yang biasa digunakan ya untuk mendengar lagu lah. And two hardware input device whose role is enter data in form of image, text, video, audio into the computer. Here are some example of input hardware. One, mouse. The mouse server to move the cursor. In addition, the mouse can also execute parental and quick command. General, a mouse consists of the button where to click button on the left and right and scroll button in the middle. Jadi mouse yang kayak gini. Keyboard, the keyboard is very important. You need data processing with a computer. Its function is to enter letter number and some symbol as a medium for user the form the necessary comment yang biasa kita ketik lah di depan. And then scanner, quit to learning coding for beginning from zero. The example of output hardware function to duplicate or copy image and text and then save them into computer memory. Hardware process. Hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on a computer. This device can be called with the brain of the computer because it performs import process on the input data. Some example: CPU. CPU is a device that is useful for controlling all processing a process on the computer, be it introduce management to produce the desired output. VGE. This device is a function to process and process graphic data. Later, the output can be displayed on the computer monitor screen. RAM. RAM is type of hardware that can determine the access speed of a computer. Store device. As the name implies, store device means the store device. This is a piece of hardware whose function is to store computer data. Some of hardware include in this type include hard disks. Hard disks are also commonly referred to as HDD is our computer hardware that function a secondary data store. Hard disk can be installed inside or outside the device. Flash disk. A flash disk is a data store hardware device with a USB connector. This connector will make it easy for the device to connect to a computer or other media. You can see a flash disk to move data from one computer to another. Optimal disks are store media that can be read or written by laser light, where the general form is in the form of a CD or DVD. And thank you. See you next time. And to material malicious program. Malware stands from malicious software, which mean this software. A malware can be bad for both the computer and the user. And this program can change, damage, pin, lock hash, and steal a personal data, which is a central very detrimental. Type of malware. Virus area type of malware that has the ability to manipulate data, infect and change and damage a program. In addition, virus can also duplicate the same by infesting a program or a copy of the selfish and then become part of another program on the computer. How virus work and spread? Virus virus very often attack Xclip, file exe, COM, and VBS. So it very natural that the virus can only be active after the user run a program, which has been effect. If it not run, then the virus will not necessary appear. However, not all viruses are like that. There are also viruses that have more ability to enter a computer. And then worm, computer worm. A worm is computer that has the ability to duplicate itself independently and spread quickly and computer network through open security port or halts. It can be said the worm are the evolution of virus. This is because worms have almost the same characteristic as a virus. The difference is the if the virus very dependent on the program, then the worm is not. Is not. A worm is a program that stands alone without relying on the program to nest. Its spread worm can infect files in a computer system better or more damage that virus. And then Trojan horse. Trojan horse or Trojan is computer program that has attackable capabilities and seem good to use, but is actually descriptive general total aim to obtain information from the victim and then control it. And then keylogger. Keylogger is a program whose purpose is to record all keysecure activities input from the keyboard. Keylogger can actually be good and bad program depending on the user in operating. This program can be a good program, such as to monitor children activities in operation as a computer monitoring employees who work monitoring student learning while use a computer and so on. If the keylogger is misused by someone, that then the keylogger becomes an evil program. The crimes include stealing import data, informant password and pins, hijacking, and so on. And then a dialer is a program designed to eradicate a user phone connection to internet for some primitive number. Usually, a computer infected with a dialer will force it to connect to the internet even though there is no software running that requires a connection. A dialer scam are often used to recredit user without realizing it's because of the dialer the victim is centrally very lost. Unlike the attacker and service provide the benefit card in this case. And then are robot bots are automate process that intersect interact with outer network service. The bot can be used for good or evil purpose depending on the creator. If used for malicious purpose, bot will work like worm that can multiply and infect computer. The difference is that bot record command from the bot make to carry out its action such as getting import information, those spam, and so on. Example of bot include locate store, capture and analysis pack, cloud dot attack. And then Wabbit. Wabbit is a program that has worm-like characteristic, but does not record a network connection because it's only work within the location network system. Wabbit will always replicate itself until the memory or hard disk cap- capacity is filled. And browse hijacker. Browse hijacker is a program that can change or edit to the functionality of the Internet Explorer atau or IE browser application and can create direct ready to central sites when the Internet Explorer application is run. Thank you everyone. See you next material. Bye bye.